Hey guys, so yeah, it's Nick. What up? So, I'm just gonna get into some things that I didn't get in yesterday. So, yeah, I'm 15, I turned 16 in October 14th. Yeah, I know, amazing. I'm gonna get my permit, and I'm gonna go drive. Okay, so, yeah, I tweeted my other video out a couple times, but, yeah, I know nobody's gonna watch it probably, and I know nobody's gonna watch this video too. Which sucks. I can't talk. I'm sorry. I know. So I just caught up on I can't talk today. I just caught up on all of Damon's videos, and yeah, I just also ordered a new hat. It's this one, pretty much, but in gray. I don't know why. I really like this hat. I really like these hats. I'm kind of hyper. I haven't been eating a lot. Today I had Subway, and then I had what did I have? I had Subway, and then I had a salad, and that was about it. And my dentist appointment, they said that at the end of September I could take my retainer out during the day and just have it in at night. So yeah, this video is not gonna be that long because I don't really have anything to talk about today. I'm gonna try and make a really cool video, and I'm gonna make it edited, and my hair looks like crap. Messy hair don't curl. I'm on Skype with my girlfriend, so I'm not gonna be able to be on for long. Alright, peace, skis.